Well, those are the bass boys. Keep a hand for the bass boys. Yep, yep. And then the first couple will be Larry Tika and Messiah Ketika. Here we go. Yep, yep, yep. Please keep a hand for phone number to 24. Pretty much too long. Anyway, look at what I want to. Johnny, how's it go? And Mr. Tendo Manu Rombea, the hopeful and the best man, Miss Nikki O'Hare and Mr. Rocky Montalcumora. Keep ahead and be seated now, ladies and gentlemen, and the bridal parties keep standing. I haven't finished it. What I'm doing is I'm follow suiting what Jonas gave me in this piece of paper yesterday, and therefore, as soon as the guests are seated, I have to welcome each and every one of you, as I've already done. Once again, please, a big talofa and welcome. And I hope you enjoy the night. There is an MC for the night. I'm not the MC for the night. I'm just doing part of the MC. And now, as I've been told, we've gone to a very special part of the program, that is the cutting of the cake.